In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trading account on Exness. To get started, head to the Exness homepage in your web browser or download the Exness mobile app if you prefer to set everything up on your phone. Either option works, so just choose the one that feels most convenient for you. Once you're on the platform, look for the register button and click or tap it to begin creating your account. Next, you'll be asked to select your country of residence, enter a valid email address, and create a strong password. Make sure the email address is one you can access right away because you'll need it for verification. When creating your password, use something secure and memorable since this helps protect your account from unauthorized access. After that, Exness will ask you to verify your email address and phone number using the confirmation code sent to you. This is a standard security step, and it's important to enter the codes carefully so your registration can continue without delay. Once your contact details are verified, log into your personal area and navigate to your profile. This is where you'll complete the rest of the setup. You'll then need to provide your basic personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. Be sure to enter everything exactly as it appears on your official documents. Even small differences can cause issues later during verification, so accuracy matters here. You'll also be asked to answer a short questionnaire about your employment status, trading experience, and annual income. This is a normal part of the onboarding process and helps the platform understand your background as a trader. The next step is to upload photos of your proof of identity and proof of residence. Before uploading, check that your documents are clear, readable, and not cut off in the image. Good quality uploads can help speed up the review process. Once your profile has been verified, you'll be able to create a specific trading account. Go back to your personal area and click Open New Account. From there, choose whether you want a real account or a demo account. A demo account is useful if you want to practice first, while a real account is for live trading with actual funds. After choosing that, select your preferred trading platform and account type. Take a moment here to choose the setup that best matches your trading goals. Finally, set your maximum leverage and create a unique trading password. This trading password is separate from your main login in many cases, so store it safely, and that's it. Once these steps are complete, your Exness trading account will be ready to use.